This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to name your vehicle on GasBuddy. Whether you're a long-time user or just starting out, giving your vehicle a name on GasBuddy can add a personal touch and make managing your fuel expenses even more efficient. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the GasBuddy website. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in to your account. If you haven't logged in yet, you should see the sign-in option at the top right corner of the homepage. You'll need your email address and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an option to reset it just below the login fields. Now that you're signed in, take a look at the top of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to choose the option labeled My Account. This will take you to your account details and settings. Once you're on your account page, scroll down until you find the section called Vehicle Profiles. This is where you manage all the vehicles linked to your GasBuddy account. Click on the link that says View My Vehicles. This will direct you to a page listing all the vehicles you have added. Now, select the vehicle you want to name. You'll see an Edit Vehicle button. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. In the field labeled Give Your Vehicle a Name, you can type in a name of your choice. It could be something personal or practical, like My Stelvio, Daily Driver, or Family SUV. The choice is entirely up to you, so have fun with it and choose something that resonates with you. Once you've entered the name you want, simply click Save Changes. This will update your vehicle profile with the new name, making it easier to identify, especially if you have multiple vehicles linked to your account. And there you have it. That's how you name your vehicle on GasBuddy. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how you interact with your account, especially when tracking fuel usage and expenses across different vehicles. Naming your vehicle adds a touch of personality and can make your experience with GasBuddy a little more enjoyable. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope it was helpful and that you're now all set to name your vehicles with ease. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day and happy driving.